Yo everyone, if your radio in Mercedes is already locked, you need enter unlock code, and I have great application because this application, as you can see, allowed to generate unlock code for any radio in Mercedes. All you have to do, the radio plus plus we must install in your device. And how to get our unlock code? It's easy. All you have to do, we must enter our VIN or serial number of our radio, and this application allowed you to generate code for every radio in Mercedes absolutely for free. This awesome and free method. Now the next step is press button generate, and the last step. Now wait to finish this process. After finish, our unlock code for our radio Mercedes is already generated, and boom, it's absolutely for free. It's awesome. So if you need to generate your unlock code for Mercedes absolutely for free, you need this application Radio Plus Plus. How to get this application for your device? It's very easy. Open this website Zeno app, enter Radio Plus Plus, press install. Now very important thing, wait to finish this process. The last step is very important, is human verification. Follow all instructions. After complete every step from this verification, Radio Plus Plus will be installed in your device. It's awesome application because, as you can see, it can generate code for every radio in Mercedes absolutely for free. It's support for every model in Mercedes. Thank you for watching.